Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Biology Set 3. Question number 1. Normal adult human male has Option A. 10 gram of hemoglobin / 100 gram of blood. Option B. 14 gram of hemoglobin / 100 gram of blood. Option C. 18 gram of hemoglobin / 100 gram of blood. Option D. 24 gram of hemoglobin / 100 gram of blood. The correct answer is Option B. 14 gram of hemoglobin / 100 gram of blood. Normal adult human male has 14 gram of hemoglobin / 100 gram of blood. Question number 2. Plants wilt due to excess of Option A. Transpiration. Option B. Photosynthesis. Option C. Absorption. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. Transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which moisture is carried through plants from roots to small pores on the underside of leaves, where it changes to vapor and is released to the atmosphere. Transpiration is essentially evaporation of water from plant leaves. Question number 3. Osmosis is the flow of solution from higher concentration to a solution of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. What is incorrect in this statement? Option A. Exact concentration of solution is not given. Option B. Character of semi-permeable membrane is not given. Option C. The flow of solution is not possible through semi-permeable membrane. Option D. All are incorrect. The correct answer is Option C. The flow of solution is not possible through semi-permeable membrane. Question number 4. Plant have underscore while animals lack it. Option A. Starch. Option B. Cellulose. Option C. Protein. Option D. Fat. The correct answer is Option B. Cellulose. Cellulose is the substance that makes up most of a plant's cell walls. Since it is made by all plants, it is probably the most abundant organic compound on Earth. Aside from being the primary building material for plants, cellulose has many other uses. Question number 5. Plant bends towards the source of light on account of the movement of curvature known as Option A. Geotropism. Option B. Thigmotropism. Option C. Chemotropism. Option D. Phototropism. The correct answer is Option D. Phototropism. Phototropism is the growth of an organism in response to a light stimulus. Phototropism is most often observed in plants, but can also occur in other organisms such as fungi. The cells on the plant that are farthest from the light have a chemical called auxin that reacts when phototropism occurs. Question number 6. Radical vascular bundles are those in which Option A. Xylem is surrounded by phloem. Option B. Phloem is surrounded by xylem. Option C. Xylem and phloem occur on the same radius. Option D. Xylem and phloem occur on the different radii. The correct answer is Option D. Xylem and phloem occur on the different radii. With the help of examples, explain the various types of vascular bundles. In angiosperms, the vascular bundles are mainly of 3 types: I. Radial. 2. Conjoint. 3. Concentric. I. Radial. Presence of radial vascular bundles is the characteristic feature of roots. Those vascular bundles in which xylem and phloem are present on different radii are known as radial vascular bundles. In between xylem and phloem bundles parenchymatous cells are present. 2. Conjoint. In these vascular bundles xylem and phloem are present on the same radii. Conjoint vascular bundles may be collateral. Phloem is present only outer to xylem, or bicollateral. Phloem is present on both sides of xylem. If cambium is present between xylem and phloem, then the vascular bundle is known as open, otherwise it is called closed. 3. Concentric. Those vascular bundles in which one type of vascular tissue is surrounded by another type are known as concentric vascular bundles. These bundles may be amphivasal or leptocentric. Phloem is completely surrounded by xylem, or amphicribal or hardocentric. Xylem is completely surrounded by phloem. Amphivasal bundles are found in Dracana and Yucca. Amphicribal bundles are found in stamens of many dicots, etc. Question number 7. Poison glands of snakes are homologous to: Option A. Electric organs of fishes. Option B. Stings of rays. Option C. Sebaceous glands of mammals. Option D. Salivary glands of vertebrates. The correct answer is Option D. Salivary glands of vertebrates. Question number 8. Monotremes are unique mammals because they: Option A. Possess hair. Option B. Give birth to live young. Option C. Secret milk in a pouch. Option D. Lay eggs. The correct answer is Option D. Lay eggs. Monotremes are a group of mammals that form the order Monotremata. Monotremes are the only mammals that lay eggs, but they also feed their babies with milk. The word monotreme refers to their common rear opening, the cloaca. Question number 9. Photosynthesis is a process. Option A. Reductive and exergonic. Option B. Reductive and catabolic. Option C. Reductive, endogonic and catabolic. Option D. Reductive, endogonic and anabolic. The correct answer is Option D. Reductive, endogonic and anabolic. Photosynthesis is the process used by plants, algae and certain bacteria to harness energy from sunlight and turn it into chemical energy. Question number 10. On which of the following plants did Gregor Mendel perform his classical experiment? Option A. Gram. Option B. Maize. Option C. Pea. Option D. Wheat. The correct answer is Option C. Pea. Pea plants have both male and female reproductive organs. As a result, they can either self-pollinate themselves or cross-pollinate with another plant. In his experiments, Mendel was able to selectively cross-pollinate purebred plants with particular traits and observe the outcome over many generations. Question number 11. Pigmentation of skin is due to: Option A. Lymphocytes. Option B. Monocytes. Option C. Leukocytes. Option D. Melanocyte. The correct answer is Option D. Melanocyte. Melanocyte are cells of neural crest origin. In the human epidermis, they form a close association with keratinocytes via their dendrites. Melanocytes are well known for their role in skin pigmentation, and their ability to produce and distribute melanin has been studied extensively. Question number 12. Norepinephrine increases: Option A. Respiration. Option B. Urine production. Option C. Saliva production. Option D. Blood pressure. The correct answer is Option D. Blood pressure. It's also called noradrenaline, and it's what makes your heart rate and blood pressure soar during a fight or flight reaction. A sudden, Rapid rise of norepinephrine can cause panic attacks. A somewhat high level makes you happy, and a really high level makes you euphoric. Question number 13. Night blindness is caused by lack of which vitamin? Option A. Vitamin A. Option B. Vitamin B. Option C. Vitamin C. Option D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is Option A. Vitamin A. Night blindness caused by nearsightedness, cataracts, or vitamin A deficiency is treatable. Corrective lenses, such as eyeglasses or contacts, can improve nearsighted vision both during the day and at night. Question number 14. Monocot root differs from dicot root in having Option A. Open vascular bundles. Option B. Scattered vascular bundles. Option C. Well-developed pith. Option D. Radially arranged vascular bundles. The correct answer is Option C. Well-developed pith. The difference between dicot and monocot root is, dicot root contains xylem in the middle and phloem surrounding it, while monocot root contains xylem and phloem in another manner, forming a circle. The monocot roots are fibrous while that of dicot are tap roots. Question number 15. Radish is A. Option A. Bulb. Option B. Connecticut. Option C. Modified root. Option D. Tuber. The correct answer is Option C. Modified root. The radish is an edible root vegetable of the Brassicaceae family that was domesticated in Europe in pre-Roman times. Question number 16. Outer covering of virus made up of protein is Option A. Capsid. Option B. Coat. Option C. Virion. Option D. Viriid. The correct answer is Option A. Capsid. A capsid is the protein shell of a virus. It consists of several oligomeric structural subunits made of protein called protomers. The observable three-dimensional morphological subunits, which may or may not correspond to individual proteins, are called capsomeres. The capsid encloses the genetic material of the virus. Question number 17. Movements due to light are shown by Option A. Flowering plants. Option B. Lower plants. Option C. All land plants. Option D. All the plants. The correct answer is Option A. Flowering plants. Question number 18. Our major foods, fibers, spices, fruits and beverage crops are Option A. Flowering plants. Option B. Gymnosperms plants. Option C. Pteridophytes. Option D. Bryophytes. The correct answer is Option A. Flowering plants. Question number 19. Organic substances which, in very small amounts, control growth and development called Option A. Vitamins. Option B. Hormones. Option C. Enzymes. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option B. Hormones. Hormones are special chemical messengers in the body that are created in the endocrine glands. These messengers control most major bodily functions, from simple basic needs like hunger to complex systems like reproduction, and even the emotions and mood. Question number 20. Radioactivity is a phenomenon of the spontaneous emission of Option A. Protons, alpha particles. Option B. Electrons, beta particles. Option C. Gamma rays, shortwave electromagnetic waves. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Radioactive decay is the process by which an unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by emitting radiation, such as an alpha particle, beta particle with neutrino or only a neutrino in the case of electron capture, or a gamma ray or electron in the case of internal conversion. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.